Mahatma Gandhi, known as the father of the nation, made his inaugural visit to Odisha on 23 March 1921. Over the course of his remarkable journey in the freedom struggle, he graced Odisha with his presence a total of 8 times between 1921 and 1946. As we commemorate Gandhi Jayanti today, let us take a moment to reflect on the historic moments of the freedom struggle that drew Mahatma Gandhi to Odisha and served as a profound source of inspiration for countless individuals. During his inaugural visit from 23 March to 29 March 1921, Gandhiji embarked on a significant journey in Odisha. He arrived in Cuttack on 23 March and conducted his first meeting at Kadmersool on 24 March. He also had the privilege of addressing women at Binod Bihari in the city and later convened a massive gathering at the Kachori riverbed in the evening. On 25 March, Gandhiji delivered an impassioned speech at Gandhi Padya in Bhadrak. Subsequently, he paid a visit to Satyabadi Ban Vidyalaya of Pandit Gopabandhu Das before making his way to Puri, where he addressed a public meeting on freedom struggle on 27 March. On 29 March, he visited Berhampur with Pandit Gopabandhu and addressed a huge gathering at the Berhampur Stadium. Gandhiji paid a visit to the Utkal Tannery in Cuttack, a factory known for its production of shoes and leather goods, founded by Madhusudan Das. Before departing for Kolkata on 20th August, he also toured various other locations in Cuttack. December 4th to 21st, 1927. In the year 1927, Gandhiji had visited Odisha to promote Khadi. He went to several Khadi production centers at different places, including Berhampur. However, his extensive tours eventually took a toll on his health, leading him to remain indoors for a period. Despite his illness, Mahatma Gandhi managed to participate in a public gathering in Cuttack on 20th December before departing from the city the following day. During this one-day visit, Gandhi alighted at Jharsuguda while on way to Kolkata to attend a Congress session. He took the opportunity to address a gathering in Jharsuguda before travelling to Sambalpur. In Sambalpur, he conducted a meeting on the riverside of Mahandi, where the local residents shared their concerns and issues with him. This visit was significant because Mahatma Gandhi conducted a Padyatra for welfare of Dalits. On 5th May, Gandhi delivered compelling speeches in Jharsuguda and Sambalpur, urging people to work towards eradicating untouchability from society. The following day, he travelled to Angul Baikar, where he continued his mission by addressing the locals. He reached Puri on 7th May and the next day he unveiled a statue of Pandit Gopabandhu Das in the pilgrim town and started a Padyatra from Puri to Cuttack. He stayed at several places including Kadua Ashram, Satyabhampur and Balyanta while attending the Padyatra. He left for Patna on 16th May. 21st May to 7th June 1934. Gandhi resumed his Harijan Padyatra on 21st May from Beri in Jajpur district to Bhadrak. He covered rural areas of Cuttack, Kendrapara, Bari, Kabirpur in Jajpur and Bhadrak districts. It continued till 7th June. March 25th to 31st, 1938. Gandhi attended a week-long conference organized by the Gandhi Seva Sangh and an agro and village enterprise exhibition at Berboi in the Delang area of Puri district. Prominent freedom fighters such as Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel and Rajendra Prasad were also present at the exhibition. 20th January 1946. During this brief stay, Gandhiji met his supporters at Baleswar, Bhadrak, Cuttack and Berhampur while going towards Chennai by train on 20th January 1946.